Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off or turn on caller phone numbers on your phone. So if there's a situation where you're not seeing the caller numbers on your phone, that could be that this feature is disabled. And if you don't want to have this feature enabled, which I think that is necessary to keep it on anyways, then I'm going to show you where to find the feature. So this tutorial will help you to show you how to enable or disable show contact phone numbers, or how to fix show contact phone numbers on your phone. So click the phone app on your phone, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go to settings. Now from here you want to tap caller information. And if you look here, you have the option that says show contacts phone numbers. Now if this is turned off, guys, also keep an eye on the image above here. If this is turned off, you realize the phone number disappeared, but it will only show the name. And that can happen if just a phone number, random phone number is calling you, you might not see it as well. So if you're seeing this and if you're having this issue, come on, check this feature. It could be that it's disabled. But if you want to turn this on, this is how you turn it on. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.